Exploring the underwater world has never been easier or more accessible thanks to underwater drones. These innovative devices let you capture stunning footage, inspect underwater structures, or simply satisfy your curiosity about marine life, all from the comfort of the surface. Whether you're a hobbyist, researcher, or professional, here are the top 5 underwater drones that combine advanced technology, ease of use, and impressive performance for your aquatic adventures. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Chasing F1 Pro Underwater Drone. Engineered for serious underwater exploration and fishing enthusiasts, the Chasing F1 Pro Underwater Drone brings high-definition visual technology and advanced navigation features to the depths of lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. This compact yet powerful remotely operated vehicle allows users to observe underwater terrain, track fish distributions, and capture stunning footage in real time, all while offering versatile movement and robust control in a portable, user-friendly package. Whether you're mapping fishing spots or documenting underwater life, the F1 Pro elevates your aquatic adventures with precision and clarity. Equipped with a full HD Starlight digital camera, this drone excels in delivering clear images and videos, even in low light or nighttime conditions, thanks to 7 infrared LEDs and a bright white LED. The 1080p video resolution at 30 frames per second and a 2-megapixel photo sensor ensure sharp, detailed visuals. The camera's aperture of f2.0 enhances light intake for vivid underwater captures, while an automatic probe allows precise adjustment of camera depth for optimal viewing angles down to a maximum depth of 30 meters. Mobility is a standout feature with its 4 vector thrusters arranged in a layout that enables smooth and agile omnidirectional horizontal movement. This 4-axis propeller system allows effortless lateral shifts, turns, and precise positioning, providing unrivaled control for tracking fish or navigating complex underwater environments. The onboard GPS adds smart functionality, including position holding, multi-fishing point recording, automatic cruise along selected fishing spots, and a convenient one-key return-to-home function to bring the drone back safely with minimal user intervention. Battery life is designed to keep you underwater for extended sessions, with a built-in lithium battery providing 4 to 6 hours of continuous operation. When needed, the battery is easily swappable, minimizing downtime and maximizing exploration time. The drone weighs only 2 kilograms and measures 278 by 154 by 215 millimeters, making it compact enough to transport to remote fishing spots or diving locations without hassle. Pros: 4-axis thrusters, 4 to 6 hours runtime, HD camera plus IR, GPS enabled. Cons: max depth 30 meters, moderate weight. Number 4. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. Designed for underwater explorers seeking a compact and reliable visual tool, the Chasing Dory Underwater Drone offers an accessible gateway to discovering aquatic environments with ease and clarity. Crafted from durable ABS material and finished in a vibrant yellow, this submersible drone is lightweight and portable, perfect for casual users and hobbyists interested in underwater photography and exploration, without the complexity of larger ROVs. Though compact in size, this drone features a high-definition underwater camera that captures vivid, clear images and videos beneath the water's surface, enabling users to explore lakes, rivers, and coastal zones with enhanced visibility. Its remote control functionality grants intuitive maneuvering, allowing smooth navigation through underwater terrains, making it ideal for inspecting reefs, submerged objects, or aquatic wildlife. The device's robust ABS construction ensures durability against water pressure and minor impacts while maintaining buoyancy control, critical for steady shots and stable movement underwater. With its bright yellow finish, the drone remains highly visible, both above and below water, reducing the risk of loss during deployment. While designed primarily for casual exploration and photography, the Chasing Dory also appeals to environmental enthusiasts and hobbyists who want to document underwater scenes or monitor conditions without the need for bulky equipment or extensive technical knowledge. Its straightforward operation and solid build quality make it a practical companion for beginners venturing into underwater drone technology. Pros: compact size, HD camera, durable ABS, easy control. Cons, limited specs, basic features. Number 3. Fifish V-Evo underwater drone. Combining advanced imaging with robotic precision, the Fifish V-Evo underwater drone is engineered for professional underwater exploration, inspection, and creative filming. This feature-rich drone integrates a 4K UHD camera with a wide 166-degree field of view and high frame rates up to 60 FPS, capturing ultra-clear, fluid video footage in breathtaking detail. Designed for depths reaching 100 meters, it expands the scope of underwater observation far beyond casual diving or fishing, making it ideal for scientific research, industrial inspections, or cinematic underwater shoots. At the heart of its performance lies a brushless motor system that provides smooth and efficient propulsion, allowing the drone to navigate at speeds up to 1.5 meters per second. Its remote control interface offers precise handling with multiple modes, including altitude hold to maintain stable positioning, and a 3D flip feature for agile maneuvering in tight spaces or creative angles. The inclusion of a robotic arm adds remarkable versatility, enabling the drone to interact with underwater objects, collect samples, or perform delicate tasks that standard drones cannot manage. Equipped with powerful 5,000-lumen LED lights, the V-Evo illuminates dark underwater environments, enhancing visibility and image quality, even in murky or deep water conditions. The drone stores captured footage on a 64GB SD card and supports real-time app control, giving operators intuitive access to camera settings, live streaming, and advanced navigation features from their smartphones or tablets. With a 3.9 kilograms build, the drone balances portability and ruggedness, designed to withstand challenging underwater conditions without sacrificing agility. The battery capacity supports up to 4 hours of continuous operation, making it well-suited for extended missions or detailed exploration sessions. Pros: 4K UHD camera, robotic arm, 4-hour runtime, deep dive 100 meters. Cons: heavier weight, higher cost. Number 2. Camolech BW Space Pro Zoom underwater drone. Delivering professional-grade underwater exploration capabilities, the Camolech BW Space Pro Zoom underwater drone is a versatile and robust tool designed for enthusiasts and experts alike. Equipped with a powerful 4K UHD camera paired with 6x optical zoom, it captures incredibly detailed underwater images and videos, allowing users to explore aquatic environments with unparalleled clarity. Whether you're surveying marine life, inspecting underwater structures, or conducting scientific research, this drone provides precise, high-quality visuals even from a distance. Designed to reach depths of up to 100 meters, the BW Space Pro Zoom offers impressive underwater reach, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from recreational diving sites to more demanding commercial or research missions. Its brushless motor system ensures quiet, smooth propulsion and enhanced reliability, enabling agile maneuvering and stable positioning in diverse underwater conditions. One of the standout features is the advanced 3D view mode, which provides an immersive perspective of the drone's surroundings, enhancing situational awareness and making navigation intuitive and precise. This immersive experience helps users better understand underwater terrain and objects, improving both exploration and documentation. With a runtime of 2 to 3 hours on a single charge, the drone supports extended underwater sessions without frequent interruptions. This endurance allows for thorough inspections or leisurely explorations, providing ample time to capture important footage or conduct detailed surveys. Pros: 6x optical zoom, long runtime, deep dive 100 meters, 3D view mode. Cons: moderate runtime. Number 1 and the winner is Fifish V6 Expert underwater drone. Offering an impressive blend of power, precision, and advanced technology, the Fifish V6 Expert underwater drone is engineered for intermediate-level users who demand professional-grade exploration and imaging capabilities beneath the waves. Designed with a robust plastic build and equipped with 6 high-performance FIFISHQ motors, this drone delivers unparalleled 360-degree omnidirectional mobility, allowing fluid, precise control in all directions. Whether inspecting underwater structures, conducting scientific research, or capturing breathtaking footage, the V6 Expert enables operators to navigate challenging aquatic environments with confidence and ease. The drone features a high-quality 4K UHD camera with a wide 166-degree field of view and an aperture of f/2.5, delivering stunningly clear, immersive visuals that bring the underwater world to life. Its powerful 6,000-lumen LED lights illuminate dark or murky water, ensuring vibrant image capture even at depth. With a maximum rated diving depth of 100 meters, the drone is capable of exploring a broad range of underwater environments, from shallow reefs to deep underwater wrecks or research sites. Equipped with a tether measuring 100 meters, with a braking force of 100 kilograms force, the V6 Expert offers extended operational range and safety, enabling users to explore deeper while maintaining reliable communication and control. The drone's internal 128GB storage allows ample space for high-definition photos and videos, while its remote control interface facilitates intuitive maneuvering and live streaming with an impressive transmission distance of up to 1 kilometer. Battery life supports up to 4.5 hours of continuous underwater operation on a single charge, providing extended mission time without frequent interruptions. This endurance makes it suitable for long exploration dives, detailed surveys, or professional filming sessions. Pros: 4K UHD camera, 360 degrees mobility, long battery life, 1 km transmission. Cons: intermediate skill required. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.